Hi everybody, Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek report here on this Monday. We've got a lot to cover here for you. We're looking at the chance for some showers, and as you're going to hear, even some hail as we head into the middle part of the week. I'm going to explain that. And I think you're going to like what's headed our way by the weekend. But let's start right now with the check of rain over the last 24 hours. We had those pop-up showers and storms over the weekend, and that put down about 1/4 of an inch of rain in most spots. A couple locations picking up a little bit more. If you're in a thunderstorm, you're in one of those spots. As we look at the rain today, probably the only real place getting the showers right along the Ohio River. There is a storm system to our south. It's just kind of hugging the river here. So we could see some showers and potentially even a little bit of heavy rain as you head right down along the Ohio River. There's actually a flood watch in effect for extreme southeast Ohio. Here we are at 5 p.m. And as we look ahead to 7, still a few leftover showers, but notice they're kind of winding down, ending as they move off towards the east. Here's the setup for the next couple days. High pressure, well, a weak high pressure in control of our weather for Tuesday. So it's not going to be a blue sky kind of day, but I think we are rain free in this area right here across Indiana, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. Should be able to squeeze out at least a little bit in the way of sunshine. Next storm system we're watching will be coming in from the northwest. You can just kind of see the makings of it right here. This will fill in with rain, and that will slide right down into Ohio right here as we head into our Wednesday morning. Right now I've got showers coming into the Columbus metro area around noon to 1 o'clock on the day Wednesday. The showers may also include thunderstorms because of instability aloft. And speaking of aloft, what I'm going to show you here is a look at what we call the 850 millibar temperatures. This gives us an idea of what's going on up in the clouds. How cold is it? Well, check this out. It is at or below zero in this area right here. So it's going to be cold enough that we could see some hail form in some of these storms. And I wouldn't be surprised, I don't think it'd be severe hail, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get several reports of real little pea-sized hail coming down in some of the areas of showers or potential thunderstorms on the day Wednesday. So kind of put that in the back of your head. You may want to consider keeping the car inside. Now beyond that, things start to improve a little bit. Yeah, it's going to be chilly at least to start the week and through about the middle part of the week. Look here at temps, which are below average. Keep in mind the average high temperature in Columbus right now, 69 degrees. But look ahead, and you gotta like this because we are jumping up. We're talking about temperatures climbing up into the 70s and 80s as we look ahead through the weekend and the early part of next week. So let's get in and take a closer look. And we're talking about temperatures below average here. So that's the blue you see right over the Ohio River Valley. And again, if our average high is close to 70 and we're looking at highs in the 50s to around 60, we're about 10 to at times 15 degrees below average. But that changes. We start to warm things up beginning over the weekend. Here is a look at Saturday. All right, this is what we call the temperature anomaly. So where you see the reds and the yellows, kind of the cutoff line on the map is right here, on the charts right here. If you're up here, you're above average. And if you're down here, you're in the blues, the greens, the purples, you're below average. So you can see we're kind of coming back up above, slightly above average. But take a peek here at Sunday and you'll see we're well above average. See some of those reds showing up there? So that tells me we're about 5 to maybe 10 degrees above average. So we'll go with the idea of highs between 75 and 80. All right, that's your Weather Geek report here for Monday. Again, the key things to remember, showers about midday on Wednesday, potential for some hail, may not be severe hail because those temperatures are below freezing up in the clouds, and then a warm up for the weekend. I'll keep you updated with all of this. Look for my weather at 5, 5:30, 6, and 11 on 10 TV. Next Weather Geek report in the morning here on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.